extract air resistance over the 60-metre drop, and we should finally know which of the old boffins was right.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, let it drop.
Aristotle!
Take air resistance out of the equation and you get neck and neck free fall of both objects. You can clearly see the wheel and the much heavier car falling at the same rate. Just as Galileo predicted.
I knew that was going to happen. You know what it was?
No.
Aristotle wasn't a proper scientist, he was a philosopher.
Yeah.
Galileo knew that you had to do experiments. Aristotle just thought he could know about the world by thinking about it.
John, yak, yak, yak. Conclusive proof that Galileo was correct.
Absolutely, yes.
Hidden away in a secret outbuilding is the Brainiac slow-motion research facility. Inside, a small team of Brainiacs are devoted to the remarkable line of research we call things, but very slowly. So what's this week's thing, but very slowly? An egg on a mousetrap. Normally this isn't particularly interesting to watch, but let's see that again, very slowly. Slowed down 400 times, the egg's journey from whole to beaten happens in stages. On impact, the egg only cracks, but the trap's sprung arm is triggered and pulverizes the fractured shell. The yolk is separated from the white and sent spiraling through the air. In real time, it takes under a second. Dropping an egg on a mousetrap. One more thing, but very slowly.
Here's one for you. If your knees bent the other way, what would chairs look like?
Things that make you go,
Hello, it's liquid nitrogen time again. Liquid nitrogen is a miracle. Today, tube of toothpaste. Ursula, bring out the toothpaste. Ursula, my love. Ursula, make me clean teeth. Because they became tarnished from too much molasses. But when I see toothpaste, I ask myself question, where do the stripes come from? Before toothpaste meet liquid nitrogen, it behaves like this. Like psychedelic squirrel doing its business at the toilet. But when I introduce toothpaste to liquid nitrogen, hey presto! Let me see. Just the same as before. Only this time, it's like psychedelic dog business. Liquid nitrogen. It's a miracle!
My body does. Hi, my name's Kevin Golaiden. The thing what my body does is this.
Human vocal cords can produce an incredible spectrum of sounds such as talking, singing, screaming, and burping. Some committed people can use theirs to sound like an aboriginal instrument, although in this case, it's more like a didgeridoo. Will it fizzle or will it flash? The cracking chemistry conundrum posed by Dr. John University of Sunderland. So what chemicals does Dr. Kilcoyne have in his shed today?
Sulfuric acid, chlorate, sherbet. Will it fizzle or will it flash?
Also to come, the roar of rockets, the physics of ferrets, and the shattering of sheds.
This is Brainiac, the science show that wears its underpants inside out to save on the laundry.
Dr. John P. Kilcoyne of the University of Sunderland posed the question: chlorate, sulfuric acid and sherbet. Will it fizzle or will it flash? The answer? Fizzle. When triggered with acid, a fierce reaction is caused in which the sherbet is oxidized by the chlorate, giving a lovely lilac flame and a fine fizzle. Nice one, Doc.
What a great fizzle.
Stop! The following recipe is dangerous. Do not try this at home. Or anywhere else, for that matter.
Today's recipe, Knickerbocker Glory. You will need squirty cream, custard, we prefer ready-made, some tasty sugar sprinkles, and for authenticity, a tall sundae glass. Just one tip. Don't make the all-too-common mistake of allowing a fluorescent tube balanced in a bowl of petrol to slip in unnoticed. As with all our recipes, 10 minutes is usually plenty, but cooking times can vary. The microwave energy causes the light bulb's tungsten filament to get all excited and illuminate. Leave it long enough, and the heat generated will ignite the combustible petrol it's swimming in. Like that. It's Knickerbocker Glorious. We do these recipes so you don't have to. Do not try this at home.